Good morning, students. Today I have planned to discuss you about the both informal letters which is mentioned in your syllabus before the half yearly exams. Students, this is a writing skill portion, and writing skills are basically for your own attempt. We can only discuss the formats which I think I have made you very much clear in my previous classes. But just because your exams are very much near, if you all had done, then it's very fine. This is only for them, those who haven't written till now. So just it is for an example. This one. The first letter which is now on your screen is informal letter. As I earlier told you that informal letters are the letters which we use to write to our near ones or friends or relatives, and the other one is a formal which is for the I think the formal letters will include your applications and the letters which are written to the official authorities. In the difference between these two letters are will be the most about the language. In a formal letter, your language must be very much restricted and very much official. You can't discuss your personal matters to an official personality, whereas you can write very casual language to your friends. You can ask them about their uh, situations, and whatever the things you want to share, you can share. But it is not possible in the formal letters. But here we are going to discuss about the informal letters. See, two letters are mentioned in your syllabus. The first one is a letter where you have to share your feelings to your friends about your republic celebrations in your school. So as you all know, this informal letters used to have the format of where you have to first write down the sender's address, and after that you have to write the date of the date on the letter, when the day you are going to write the letter. And after that you should begin with like this. It is already here, it is mentioned, you can see, dear friend. एंड एज इन दिस लेटर यू आर गोइंग टू डिस्क्राइब, आप बताने जा रहे हो कि आपके स्कूल में आपने कैसे मनाया अपना रिपब्लिक डे. तो यू कैन बिगिन विद दिस दैट दिस टाइम इन माई लेटर आई हैव सम एक्साइटिंग टू शेयर, बिकॉज यू आर राइटिंग टू योर फ्रेंड. आप अपने दोस्त से लिख रहे हो तो आपका लैंग्वेज बहुत कैजुअल हो सकता है. सो यू कुड स्टार्ट लाइक दिस टाइम इन माई लेटर आई हैव सम एक्साइटिंग टू शेयर. Last week, our school celebrated Republic Day. Our principal was there with honorable chief guest to hoist the national flag. Various exercises were performed after national anthem. After all the performances, the whole place reflected with applause. The whole experience was fantastic. Hope we'll meet soon. You lovingly. And at the last here, where I have written XYZ, you should mention your name until or unless the question didn't used to tell you to imagine yourself up something. जब तक आपको कुछ अपने आप को समझने के लिए ना बोला जाए, इमेजिन करने के लिए ना बोला जाए, जहाँ आप ब्लू लाइंस देख रहे हो आप वहाँ पे आप अपना नाम लिख सकते हो. ये आपका एक इनफॉर्मल लेटर है, तो जहाँ आप लेटर एंड अप करोगे आप वहाँ पे योर्स लविंग, योर्स अफेक्शनेटली आप लिख सकते हो, है ना. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट लेटर विच यू हैव टू नोट डाउन इन योर कॉपी. आफ्टर दैट there is one more letter. I hope let's see. Okay, this is one more letter where you have to write a letter to your uncle thanking him for his birthday gift. Again, it is an informal letter, so here I haven't written, but you could write here as Khagol, Patna. Dear uncle, I received your letter and gift which you sent me On my birthday, I got many gifts from my friends, but yours is the best. I loved your gift. I enjoyed a lot in reading the interesting books. Thank you once again for this wonderful gift. Yours affectionately. Again, you can see here I have written XYZ, and you should avoid that XYZ. You should write your name. तो बच्चों, यही दो लेटर्स हैं जो आपके सिलेबस में मेंशन्ड है। मैंने इसको आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी शेयर कर दिया है। और हमेशा ध्यान रखो कि इनफॉर्मल लेटर में सबसे ऊपर आपको सेंडर एड्रेस लिखा हुआ है, लिखना होगा। यहाँ शायद मैंने नहीं लिखा है विच इज़ मीटिंग, बट यू शुडेंट मिस, आपको मिस नहीं करना है। आपको यहाँ पे सेंडर्स एड्रेस लिखना है, उसके बाद आपको डेट भी लिखना है, तभी आप यहाँ फिर डियर अंकल से शुरू करेंगे। ठीक है बच्चों? सो प्रैक्टिस द लेटर, है ना। ओनली लर्न, ओके। सो learn the exam and the format, keep the mind the format of the letters, and it will be not difficult. Writing skills are basically for your practice, हमेशा उसको याद रखिए। तो टिल नाउ आज के दिन के लिए काफ़ी है ये। अब मैं इसको ऑफ कर रही हूँ आपके लिए।